Hey there, this is Cam here at Island GM here in beautiful Duncan, British Columbia, Canada. And I've got another best value vehicle for you. That's right, the 2010 Toyota Rav4. This beauty has a lot of kick to it. Roof racks, as you can see up there. Let's go take a look at what else this Rav4 can do. Alright, let's take a look at the back. Plenty of trunk space, but what's this? Whoa! Let's see that again. Whoa! Wowzers! Look at all that trunk space now. Seating for 5, by the way. Well, what's in the front? 176,412 kilometers on it. You got your radio and CD player. All-wheel drive lock, my bad. You have your air conditioning, climate control, 12-volt plug-in. It's an automatic. Powered side mirrors, auxiliary port. 12-volt plug-in in here too, if you can make that out. It's right there. Power locks and windows too. Not a bad deal. That's why it's a best value vehicle. Come on down, check it out.